Hello, I'm Dr. Sindhu, one of treating doctor here today. May I confirm your good name, please? Nice to meet you, Mr. Ashraf. May I know what brings you here today? Okay. Tell me more. I'm very sorry to hear about that, Mr. Ashraf, and I understand how painful situation would be for you. But before I come to the management part, I need to ask you a few questions. Is it okay with you, Mr. Ashraf? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Ashraf. So can you tell me how did your panic started? So what was you doing when panic started? If there is an specific site, can you tell me where is the pen? Okay, and if it is in the center of chest? Can you tell me the nature of pen? All right. Okay, Mr. Ashraf, how about its duration? When did your pen started? Okay, if there is any associated feature like nausea, vomiting, if you notice any profuse sweating, in short of breath. All right, Mr. Ashraf, if there is any radiation, can you tell me, did the chest pain go anywhere else? Okay. And if there is any relieving factor? All right. And if it is associated with cold weather, emotions? Okay. Okay, so Mr. Ashraf, have you taken any medication so far to relieve your pain? Okay, so if your pain relieved by taking NSAIDs? Okay. Mr. Ashraf, can you localize your pain with one finger? Okay. If you had any trauma to chest? All right. If pain is aggravated on movements? No? Okay. If it was on lying down? Okay. Okay. If it is relieved on sitting forward and wasn't on lying on left side? All right, Mr. Ashraf, I'll ask you a few personal questions to better understand. Do you smoke? How much cigarettes per day? Have you ever tried to quit this habit? All right, Mr. Ashraf, I will talk in detail in next appointment. How it sounds to you? Okay, Mr. Ashraf, do you drink alcohol? And do you have high blood sugars? High blood pressure? Okay. How about your sleep pattern? How are things at home? What do you do for living? How are things at workplace? Okay. Are you asthmatic? Okay. So what is the nature of your job? All right, Mr. Ashraf. If there is any immediate family member suffering from some complaints, heart-related problem, high blood sugar, if you are taking any medicine regularly, prescribed by doctor or over the counter. All right, Mr. Ashraf. So, what do you think is causing your symptoms? Okay. Yes, Mr. Ashraf, it could be related to it, but we'll run some tests to confirm it. How it sounds to you? Yes, Mr. Ashraf. So, before I offer some investigation, let me ask if you have undergone an investigation so far. All right. Okay. So, all right. So, Mr. Ashraf, can you tell me what concerns you the most? I appreciate your concerns. I appreciate your concerns, Mr. Ashraf. and I'm here to explain everything to you, okay? And you need not to be worried. We'll explore all options, okay? And if we'll need any referral, then we'll consider, okay, if necessary, how it sounds to you. Mm-hmm. All right. So, Mr. Ashraf, what do you hope to gain out today's consultation? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, Mr. Ashraf. Typically, it takes some time frame, but we'll monitor your progress. Okay, you need not to be worried. Okay, and along with that, we'll schedule follow up to ensure you are recovering well. How it sounds to you? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, Mr. Ashraf, you have chest pain radiating to your neck and left arm, okay, and which is relieved with rest. And you are a heavy smoker with a strong family history of similar complaints. And you are afraid of having another attack and expect to be given some medicine to get relief from your pain. Is it all, or you want to add anything else? All right, Mr. Ashraf. So, in order to better understand, I'll need to examine you. Is it okay with you? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Ashraf. Can you please move to the couch and take your shirt off from me? Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Ashraf. Then I'll sanitize my hands and I'll start from general physical examination and eyes for enema and jaundice and tip of nose, tip of tongue for any cyanosis, any facial or periauricular edema. And then I'll check his palms, if there is a palmar edema, any sweating, any dryness, how about his skin texture, how about his fingers, if there is any clubbing, any splinter hemorrhages, any horizontal lines, any vertical lines, any cupping of these nulls. And then we'll start examination from front of the neck to examine the thyroid, and then from back, and then I'll check auscultate heart. First, I'll look if there is any scar mark, any deformity, any bulging, any asymmetry, and breathing pattern. And then I'll auscultate aortic, pulmonary, tricuspid, and mitral area. And then I'll check chest for right and left lobes of the lungs, apical and base. And then I'll check shins for any pedal edema. And I'll also check chest from back. And last, I'll check JVP if it is raised or not by raising a patient's head at 45 degrees. Thanks for your cooperation, Mr. Ashraf. You can put on your shirt and come on the chair. And then again, I'll sanitize my hands. So, Mr. Ashraf, I'll offer you ECG. Okay, tell this is ECG urgently. Is it okay with you? Mm-hmm. And along with that, I offer you the following tests and cardiac enzymes, okay, TROP-I, okay, and lipid profile, and HbA1c. How it sounds to you? Yes, Mr. Ashraf. So as you know, your blood supply to the heart is compromised due to narrowing of heart blood vessels, and during exertion, when demand of oxygen increase and not met with, so this type of pain occurs. Okay, and so we need to take care of measures regarding your diet and exercise, hypertension. Okay, and so I'll advise you some non-pharmacological and pharmacological medication. Okay, how it sounds to you, Mr. Ashraf? Yes, Mr. Ashraf. So I'll encourage you to stop smoking, okay, and because it increases narrowing of your heart blood vessel. Okay, so you need to stop smoking altogether. Can you do it? Okay, and I'll offer healthy diet, okay, and stop red meat, okay, and fish is good, and I will encourage you to use low salt, low fat diet. Okay, increase fruits 5 portions. Okay, and vegetables. Okay, and try to decrease your weight. Okay, and I'll encourage you to exercise for 30 minutes. Okay, walk for 30 minutes, 5 days per week. Okay, how it sounds to you? Yes, Mr. Ashraf, and as you are, are driving your car, you used to drive your drive for your job. So I'll encourage you to stop driving until symptoms are controlled. Okay. It could be dangerous, if I take while at wheel or at rest or with emotions. Okay. So besides that, as you are having more than 2 attacks of angina per week, okay, and GTN is not enough to relieve your pain, and so I'll encourage you to use GTN spray as on needed basis. Okay, 1 to 2 puffs under the tongue. Okay, and repeat dose after 5 minutes if pain persists. Okay, but not back to back. Okay, and I'll advise you that when you start to have second puff, then before starting second puff, call ambulance after a second repeat. Okay, and because it can cause headache, flushing, lightheadedness, and decrease the blood pressure. So to be on safer side, you need to do that. How it sounds to you, Mr. Ashraf? And Mr. Ashraf, I'll offer you bisoprolol 1.25 mg. You have to take it once a day for symptomatic relief. Okay. Yes, Mr. Ashraf. This drug decrease the rate of heart beating. Okay, and we need your resting heart rate more than 65 and less than 90 beats per minute after walking or climbing. How it sounds to you? Yes, Mr. Ashraf. All right, so let's talk about the safety netting, Mr. Ashraf. So if you feel dizzy, okay, and become short of breath, okay, so you can contact me immediately, anytime. We may need to decrease dose, okay, and don't disrupt the drug suddenly or run out of stock. Okay, if you need to stop the drug, we will taper off over 4 weeks. How it sounds to you? Okay. And along with that, I'm also starting a tablet aspirin. Okay, and but let me confirm if you have any GI-related problem. All right, and then I'll prescribe a tablet clopidogrel. Okay, and besides that, I'm prescribing a capsule esomeprazole 40 mg. You have to take it once a day. Okay, and tablets simvastatin 40 mg daily at night. Can you take it, Mr. Ashraf? All right, Mr. Ashraf, and I'm offering you tablet Ramipril. You have to take it once a day. Okay, it has proven benefit of decreased mortality. Okay, is everything clear till now? Is there anything else you would like to ask me today? Should I summarize again it for you, Mr. Ashraf? All right, Mr. Ashraf, here is a leaflet. It includes all the information regarding your condition. I hope it will be helpful for you. Okay, I wish you a speedy recovery and healthy life. Okay, and I'll see you after 2 weeks if it is convenient for you. All right, Mr. Ashraf, so I'll see you after